So let's rewrite the problem again. Let me try to solve it in a way that there's no so much things going around. Okay, so the problem is tangent theta plus cotangent theta, okay, squared sine squared theta minus tangent squared theta. Okay, this is the problem. What we did is, what we should do is actually start in the innermost parentheses. So what we did here is we can simplify this or express this in a way that we can solve this problem. We can represent this in a different expression where in fact they are just the same value, or when you solve it, they will result in a same answer. So we can find a what do you call this? We can find a expression equivalent to this. So the expression equivalent to this is sine theta over cosine theta, which is also equivalent to tangent, like same here. So that's why I've said that we can find how do you call this, expression or function? Is that a function? Correct me, guys. So since this is, we can use this in we can use this in what do you call this, substitute to tangent theta. Okay, so let's paint that back here. Let's paint everything to, spread everything to white. Okay, so we can what the so we can express this like cosine. This is also here, right? Cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, squared sine squared over theta minus tangent squared theta. Then we can cross multiply this. This is gonna be like sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Okay, and then cosine and cosine theta, and let's write down first the sine theta cosine theta. Okay, parenthesis sine squared theta minus tangent squared theta. So now we can easily spot, the expert or the more experienced mathematician, or They can easily spot that this is actually a identity here, where it says this is equals to 1. Okay, so this, we can convert this to 1. So this is gonna be like this, and then sine theta cosine theta here. Then we already sine squared theta minus tangent squared theta. So we can wait, we can actually cotangent, we can actually cancel this one here, and one here. Okay, so you can say that then multiply, since this is 2, remember that this is 2 squared here and this is 1, so there should be, even you cancel this one, there should be 1 remaining sign. So this, and then multiply it here, this is gonna be sine theta over cosine theta minus tangent. Wait, let me check. Let me double check here. Sine squared or cosine squared, sine or cosine. I made another mistake. I made another mistake here. Let me check here. Cosine plus sine. This is 1. We multiply this, cancel this one here. There is another one remaining, where it says that sine over cosine. This is tangent? I don't think so. This is gonna be tangent, because tangent squared. No. No way. Cotangent, tangent. Sine or cosine, cotangent man siya. No way. Wait. Sine of sine squared. Alright guys, let me go back to my last answer. No, I missed that answer. Tangent squared cosine of sine. Okay, cosine squared plus minus. This is 1. That's gonna be tangent. Secant is actually gonna be sine, or is that sine squared? No. Tangent sine, no sine. Cancel. So 1 na lang siya nabilin. This is 1. Secant na siya. Oh yeah, correct guys, correct. Yeah, here, correct, you are correct here. We are correct here that one of this is secant theta over sine. Sine o cosine multiply na siya, pareha na siya. Yeah, god damn it, I missed this power here. Oh my god guys, I missed this power here. Okay, let's go back again. This is what I'm missing. I'm already trying to figure out what went wrong. I missed this to bring this on. Don't forget this guys, I always miss around this one. This is gonna be like 1 sine squared cosine squared, then multiply it by sine squared over and then tangent squared theta. Then you can cancel this. The remaining is 1 cosine squared theta minus tangent squared theta. Since this is another identities, we can write it down in secant, because secant is equivalent to this. So secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta, and we can write this down in the expression, guys. Okay, this is another identity here. Okay, if you try to look at the okay, if you are trying to look at the the identity table, this is gonna be like equals to 1. Okay, so write it down there: secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta is equals to 1. Okay, guys, so the answer here of this equation is 1. Okay, guys, we will solve it one more time. Okay. We'll solve it one more time, one last time. Yeah, that one took very long time. Okay, we were missing a lot. Practice makes perfect, but nobody's perfect, so why practice? As they say. Let's write it down one more time, or solve it one more time. We, as much as possible, guys, we are not trying to look at the solution, guys. No, we're only trying to solve it in our own. Okay, so the problem is tangent theta plus cotangent theta squared, open close parenthesis, sine squared over the minus tangent squared theta. So this is gonna be the equation. So find the x. So here we can express this in a way as sine theta over cosine. Okay, and then also this one, you can express this in a way cosine, because this is like inverse cosine, and then sine here. Okay, and then don't forget, this is what we are missing. Write that down here: the square sine theta minus tangent squared theta. Okay, so what we can do here is we can multiply sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, since this is gonna be like here and here, and then this one is here. Okay, these two. So this is gonna be like, I will write down first the sine theta, cosine theta. So we already eliminated the what? Oh, not yet, guys. We still have the power of 2. Okay, then sine squared theta tangent squared theta. So, the reason why we miss the last the second attempt, is we thought that we already eliminated the 2. Okay, so which is wrong. We still have this because we still didn't eliminate the parentheses. So let's solve hits here. Let's continue solving the innermost parentheses. So this is, guys, as we always said, this is a identity. So this is 1, this is equals to 1. Then we can write down here the sine theta, cosine theta, and we still have the square. Okay, this is getting better, guys. We are getting master and master every time we made mistakes. Okay, and then this is gonna be like we square this, so the is 1 to the power 2 is still 1. Sine to the power of 2 is equals 2 squared cosine, and then cosine squared theta. So we now eliminated the, this time we eliminated the power of 2, but we still have the sine expression here to sine. Okay, since we have this multiplication, we can eliminate this. Okay, and then we have our remaining cosine squared theta over 1 equals tangent squared theta. And then, guys, this is identity. This is gonna be like secant. This is equivalent to secant, guys. Remember that, secant squared, okay, minus tangent squared theta. This is correct, guys. This is already correct, but we can further what? We can further express this, because this expression itself is an identity, which is equivalent to 1. Okay, the identity is secant secant theta plus 1 is equals to tangent theta squared. Get it, guys? Check your manual. Check your manual or handbook. Actually, I wrote it wrong. Actually, I wrote it wrong. I wrote it wrong. This is gonna be like here equals to 1. Okay, that is equals to 1. Okay, that's the correct. Let's actually write it down correctly. So the identity is secant squared is equals to tangent squared minus 1. So this is the identity. You can write it the way, but as long as it follows the disease format, you can write like tangent here, tangent theta negative, and then secant, the way our equation here, plus secant squared equals to 1. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more videos like this. And keep learning, and see you in our next tutorial. Please comment down below if you find better solution or better way to solve this problem, or just anything else, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.